The political landscape is abuzz with the nomination of Kristi Noem, current governor of South Dakota, to the esteemed position of Secretary of the Department of Homeland Security. This nomination, put forth by President-elect Donald Trump, has sent ripples through Washington, D.C. and beyond. Noem, a staunch conservative with a strong track record of supporting Trump's policies, stands as a controversial figure, drawing both fervent support and vehement opposition. Her potential appointment to this powerful position signals a clear direction for the Trump administration's approach to immigration. The Department of Homeland Security, with its vast reach and influence, plays a pivotal role in shaping and enforcing the nation's immigration policies. Noem's nomination, therefore, holds immense weight, representing a potential turning point in the national discourse on immigration. The gravity of this nomination cannot be overstated. It is a clear indication of the Trump administration's commitment to a more restrictive and arguably, to some, a more controlled approach to immigration. Noem's history suggests a firm stance on border security and a skepticism towards illegal immigration. Her nomination has ignited a firestorm of debate, with proponents praising her unwavering stance and critics expressing concerns about potential ramifications for immigrants' rights. The coming weeks and months will undoubtedly be filled with intense scrutiny as Noem navigates the confirmation process. Her every move will be analyzed, her every word dissected, as the nation grapples with the potential implications of her appointment. The outcome of this nomination will have far-reaching consequences, shaping the future of immigration policy for years to come. The Department of Homeland Security stands as a formidable pillar of the United States government, entrusted with the daunting task of safeguarding the nation against a myriad of threats, both foreign and domestic. Among its many responsibilities, immigration enforcement looms large, making the department a focal point of President Trump's agenda. Trump, throughout his campaign and presidency, has consistently made immigration a cornerstone of his platform, advocating for stricter border control and a more rigorous approach to legal immigration. The DHS, with its vast resources and authority, plays a pivotal role in enacting the president's vision for immigration. The department's reach extends far and wide, encompassing border security, visa issuance, deportation proceedings, and the enforcement of immigration laws within the United States. Given the department's extensive powers, the Secretary of Homeland Security wields immense influence over the lives of millions, both those seeking entry to the United States and those residing within its borders. Trump's focus on immigration stems from a deeply held belief that the nation's current immigration system is fundamentally flawed, leaving the country vulnerable to security risks and economic burdens. He has repeatedly argued for a more robust border wall, increased interior enforcement, and a reduction in both legal and illegal immigration. The DHS, under his administration, has been tasked with implementing these policies, leading to significant changes in immigration enforcement practices. The department's role in advancing Trump's immigration agenda has been both lauded and criticized. Supporters argue that the DHS is essential for protecting national security and upholding the rule of law. Critics, however, contend that the department's actions have often been overly aggressive, infringing upon the rights of immigrants and asylum seekers. The debate over the DHS's role in immigration enforcement is likely to continue, reflecting the deep divisions within American society over this contentious issue. The Senate Committee on Homeland Security and Governmental Affairs has announced a postponement of the confirmation hearing for Kristi Noem, President-elect Donald Trump's nominee for Secretary of the Department of Homeland Security. Originally slated for Wednesday, January 15, 2025, the hearing has been rescheduled to Friday, January 17 at 9 a.m. This delay, while seemingly minor, has sparked intrigue and speculation within the halls of Congress and beyond. The official reason for the postponement, as stated by the committee, is the FBI's ongoing background check on Noem. Background checks are a standard and crucial part of the vetting process for high-level government positions, ensuring that nominees are thoroughly investigated for any potential red flags that might preclude them from serving. The FBI, in conducting these checks, delves into an individual's past, examining financial records, employment history, and any potential criminal activity. This delay, while attributed to procedural matters, unfolds against a backdrop of heightened political tensions and partisan divides. Noem's nomination has been met with mixed reactions, with Democrats expressing reservations about her suitability for the role, citing her staunchly conservative views and her alignment with President Trump's controversial immigration policies. Some have speculated that the delay might be a strategic maneuver by Democrats to further scrutinize Noem's record and potentially uncover information that could jeopardize her confirmation. The postponement, regardless of its underlying cause, injects a degree of uncertainty into the confirmation process. It remains to be seen whether this delay will have any bearing on the outcome of the hearing. The Senate ultimately holds the power to confirm or reject Noem's nomination, and the coming days will be crucial in determining her fate. The nation watches with bated breath as this political drama unfolds, the outcome of which will have significant implications for the future of immigration policy. Growing up in rural South Dakota, Kristi Noem's values were shaped by the heartland. Her career in politics reflects a deep connection to her roots, emphasizing hard work, family, and community. As a congresswoman and later as governor, Noem has always championed the interests of her constituents, striving to bring their voices to the national stage. Throughout her political career, Kristi Noem has closely aligned herself with former President Donald Trump's stance on immigration. She has supported stricter border controls and policies aimed at reducing illegal immigration. Noem's alignment with Trump has bolstered her standing among conservative voters, reinforcing her commitment to securing America's borders. If confirmed, Kristi Noem's influence on future immigration policies could be significant. Her hardline stance may lead to more stringent measures, impacting both legal and illegal immigration. Noem's policies could reshape the landscape of immigration in the United States, affecting countless lives and communities across the nation. The debate over immigration policy is fiercely contested, with strong opinions on both sides. Kristi Noem's nomination is sure to intensify this battle, as lawmakers and citizens alike grapple with the implications of her potential influence. The outcome of this political struggle will shape the future of immigration in America, determining the direction of the nation's policies for years to come.